Morning everyone. Today we discuss very important GK for SSC and PCS examination. Selected GK general knowledge. The first question is, who among the following was the author of Kiritarjunia? Kiritarjunia. Options A, Bharavi. Options B, Dandin. Option C, Baramihira. Option D, Kalidasa. The correct answer is option A, Bharavi. Option A, Bharavi. Bharavi wrote the Kiritarjunia. Question number 2. At which of the following sites all the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic sites have been found in sequence? It's a very important question. Option A, Sarai Nahara Rai, Kurnul Valley, Velan Valley, Ahar. The correct answer is option C, Velan Valley. Question number 3. Which among the following can best define the Neolithic revolution? Green revolution, technology revolution, milk revolution, agricultural revolution. The correct answer is option D, agricultural revolution. Which among the following organization assists a country with the adjustment process under its extended fund facility? EFF. Option A, Asian Development Bank. Option B, World Bank. Option C, International Monetary Fund. Option D, New Development Bank. The correct answer is International Monetary Fund. Option C is correct. Question number 5. At which among the following sessions of a Muslim League Muhammad Ali Jinnah had invented a new slogan, divide and quit? Divide and quit. Option A, Lucknow session 1931. Option B, Karachi session 1933. Option C, Lahore session 1940. Option D, Karachi session 1943. The correct answer is Karachi session 1943, where Muhammad Ali Jinnah had invented a new slogan, divide and quit. Question number 6. Which among the following officers were mandated by Ashoka to spread the Dhamma policy of Ashoka? Option A, Yukutas. Option B, Pradesikas. Option 3, Rajukas. Options A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2, 3. 1 is Yakutas, Pradesikas. Option 3, Rajukas. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2, 3. Both are correct. Question number 7. The ancient Dhanyakatanka, which was capital of the Satavahana kingdom, is located in which district of Andhra Pradesh? That is option A, Amravati. Option B, Guntur. Option C, Kullur. Option D, Thullur. The correct answer is option number B, Guntur. The ancient Dhanyakataka, which is the capital of Satavahana kingdom, is located in district of Guntur. Question number 8. Which among the following is are the 9 gems of Chandragupta Vikramaditya? Option A, Amarasima. Option B, Harisena. Option C, Kahapanaka. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Option 1 D is correct. That is 9 gems are Amarasima, Harisena, Kahapanaka. All are correct. Question number 9. Who rebuilt the Somnath temple 18 15 AD after it was destroyed by Arab invader in 725 AD. Options A Vikramaditya 2, options B Nagabhatta 1, option C Nagabhatta 2, option D Mihir Bhojo. The correct answer is Nagabhatta 2, option C. Somnath Temple 1815 AD after destroyed by Arab invader in 1725, Nagabhatta 2 rebuilt the Somnath Temple in 1815 AD. Option 10. The question number 10. The Sefijala Wildlife Sanctuary SWS is located in which state? It's an important question. Sepa Hijala Wildlife Sanctuary. That is in Tripura. Question number C. Tripura is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which among following Satavahana Satakarni ruler recovered Malwa from the Saka ruler? Options A Gautamiputra Satakarni, option B Satakarni 1, option C Hala, option D Yajansari Satakarni. The correct answer is Yajansari Satakarni. Option number D is correct. Question number 12. Which Ashokan pillar edict provides a list of animal and birds killing of which was prohibited? Options A Pillar Edict V, options B Pillar Edict V third I, option C Pillar Edict X double I, option D Pillar Edict X. The correct answer is Pillar Edict 5. Pillar Edict 5. Question number 13. Which among Pala king established Vikramashila University? Vikramashila University established by options A Gopala, Dharmapala, Devapala, Devapala 2. The correct is Dharmapala. Option number B is correct. Question number 14. At which of the following Harappan site terracotta female figure were discovered? Option A Mohenjo-daro, option B Kotawala, option C Kot Diji, option D Khirosaro. The correct answer is option A Mohenjo-daro. Question number 15. The Bori Wildlife Sanctuary BWS is located in which state? The correct answer is option A Chhattisgarh, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Maharashtra, option D Rajasthan. But the correct answer is option B Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. Which was the important trade center of ancient India on the trade route connecting Kalyana and Bhengi? Option A Tagara, option B Tripura, option C Tripuri, option D Tamaralipatti. Correct answer is option A Tagara. Question number 17. In context with science and technology development of China, what is Tianwen-1? A satellite, a space exploration mission, a supercomputer, a weapon. The correct answer is a space exploration mission. Tianwen-1 is a space exploration mission. Option number B is correct. Question number 18. Who among following led to Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Options A the Arms Act, options B the Rawat Act, option C the Republic Safety Act, option D Vernacular Press Act. The correct answer is option number B the Rawat Act. Rawat Act led to Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Question number 19. Who heads the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs in India? Finance Minister, Commerce Minister, Prime Minister, Cabinet Minister. The correct answer is Prime Minister. Option number C is correct. Prime Minister heads the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs in India. The famous World Heritage Site Basilica of Bom Jesus is located in which among the following places in India? Option A Pondicherry, option B Mahe, option C Daman, option D Goa. The correct answer is Goa. Question number 21. Sudarshan Lake repaired second time under the region of whom? Skandagupta, Kumaragupta, Rudra, Daman, Pranadatta. The correct answer is Skandagupta. Option number A is correct. Question number 22. Which Mughal ruler had higher number of Hindus as a Mansabdar than Muslim under his administration? Option A Akbar, option B Aurangzeb, option C Jahangir, option D Shahjahan. The correct answer is Aurangzeb. Question number 23. Safi Lanfi, a traditional textile fabric, is a GI product from which of the following state? Option A Assam, option B Manipur, option C Jammu and Kashmir, option D Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Manipur. Safi Lanfi, a traditional textile fabric from Manipur. The Puli Beach Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a natural habitat of a grey-billed tragopan, is located in which state? Option A Mizoram, option C Tripura, option C Manipur, option D Nagaland. The correct answer is Nagaland. Puli Beach Wildlife Sanctuary is in Nagaland. Question number 25. Who is known as the father of a green revolution? It's an easy question. Option A M.S. Swaminathan, option B Norman Borlaug, option C Verghese Kurien, option D none of the above. The correct answer is Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug, the father of green revolution of world. The father of green revolution of India is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Verghese Kurien is the father of a milk white revolution in India. Question number 26. Abhidhammo Pitaka deals in which of the following? Options A member of a great community, teaching of a Buddha, moral code of conduct, matters of psychology and metaphysics. The correct answer is matters of psychology and metaphysics. Abhidhammo Pitaka. Question number 27. The Daroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary is located in which state? Correct answer is options are Karnataka, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Kerala. The correct answer is Karnataka. Daroji Sloth Bear Sanctuary is located in Karnataka. Question number 28. The Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary AWS is located in which state or UT? Options A Puducherry, Karnataka, Punjab, Assam. The correct answer is Assam. Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. Lithosphere is a combination of a dash, upper core and a lower core, upper crust and lower mantle, crust and uppermost part of a mantle and core. The correct answer is crust and a uppermost part of a mantle. Option number C is the correct option. Question number 30. Kalimattam is a part of which among the following countries? Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Cambodia. The correct answer is Indonesia. Kalimantan is a part of Indonesia. Question number 31. A 10 kg block of iron has which of the following twice in value is comparison to a 5 kg block of iron? Inertia, mass, volume. Options are only 1, 2, inertia and mass, only inertia and volume. Option D 1, 2, 3, inertia, mass, volume. The correct answer is option D 1, 2, 3. A 10 kg block iron has which of the following twice value is compared to 5 kg? That is inertia, mass and volume. Question number 32. Which of the following was the capital of Northern Panchala? Northern Panchala capital is Ahichatra, Kampilya, Bhaji, Panchal. The correct answer is option A, Ahichatra. Ahichatra is the capital of Northern Panchala. Question number 33. What is the other name of Bimbisara? Srenika, Ekarat, Sarvakastrantaka, Salimal. The correct answer is Srenika. Option A, Srenika. Question number 34. The Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary IGWLS is located in which state? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu. Question number 35. The Vijay Stambha of Chittorgarh was built to commemorate the victory of Rana Kumbha in which of the following battle? Option A, Battle of Chittor, Battle of Sarangpur, Battle of Gagron, Battle of Gogunda. The correct answer is Battle of Sarangpur. Option number B is correct. Question number 36. Which among the following authorities decides how far the fundamental rights can apply to the member of armed forces in India? Option A, President of India. Option B, Parliament of India. Option C, Armed Forces themselves. Option D, Armed Forces Tribunal. The correct answer is Parliament of India. Option number B is correct. Which among the following was the main occupation of Paleolithic old stone people? Option A, agriculture. Option B, farming. Option C, hunting. Option D, fishing. The correct answer is hunting. Hunting is the main occupation of Paleolithic old stone people. Question number 38. What is the number of prehistoric rock shelter in Bhimbetaka? It's very important question. Option A 221, option B 243, option C 268, option D 289. The correct answer is 243. 243 rock shelters in Bhimbetaka. Question number 39. In context of a Mauryan administration, who was regarded as the chief treasury officer? Who is the chief treasury officer? Option A, Samaharta. Option B, Paura. Option D, Sinidhatta. Option D, Karmantika. The correct answer is Sanidhatta. Option C is the correct answer. Sanidhatta is the chief treasury officer of a Mauryan administration. Question number 40. The Patini cult was established by which Sangam ruler? Options A, Nedujeral Adan, the Chera ruler. Sengutubhan, the Chera ruler. Karikal, the Chodo ruler. Nedu Jelian, the Pandyan ruler. The correct answer is Sengutubhan, the Chera ruler. Option number B is correct. Question number 41. The Satapatha Brahmana and a Taitriya Brahmana are the Brahmana text of options A, Rigveda, options B, Yajurveda, option C, Samveda, option D, Atharvaveda. Correct answer is option B, Yajurveda. Question number 42. During whose region Mahayana sect of Buddhism came into existence? Option A, Ashoka, option B, Kanishka, option C, Ajatasattu, option D, Nagarjuna. The correct answer is option number B, Kanishka. In Kanishka period, Mahayana sect of Buddhism came into exist. Question number 43. The Gukral prehistoric site is located in which state or union territory of India? Option A Rajasthan, option B Jammu and Kashmir, option C Karnataka, option D Uttarakhand. The correct answer is option number B, Jammu and Kashmir. Gutkal prehistory located in Jammu and Kashmir. In which of the following Veda the priest is a Brahma? Option A Sam Veda, option B Yajur Veda, option C Rig Veda, option D Athar Veda. The correct answer is Athar Veda. Athar Veda, option number D. In Athar Veda the priest is a Brahma. Question number 45. Which among the following were the scholar of quote Kanishka? Kanishka 1. Vasumitra, Ashoghosa, Pasava. Option A. Nagarjuna, Charaka, Mathara. Option B. Charaka, Vasumitra, Ashoghosa. Option C. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Vasumitra, Ashoghosa, Pasava, Nagarjuna, Charaka, Mathara, Vasumitra, Ashoghosa. All are scholars in the court of Kanishka 1. Question number 46. Constitution of India guarantee which of the following states of India? Option A territorial integrity, option B sovereignty, option C right to secede from union, none of them. The correct answer is option D, none of them. Who was the founder of a Ganga dynasty? Very important question. Option A Konkoni Varman, option C Narasimha Deva 1, option C Narasimha Deva Varman 2, option D Vikramaditya 2. The correct answer is Konkoni Varman. The founder of a Ganga dynasty is Konkoni Varman. Question number 48. Frugal engineering is defined as a process of raising the profit of a farm by reducing labor and capital cost, reducing the complexity and cost of a good and its production, accelerating the profit of a farm by adoption of a science-based innovation. Option D, increasing customer base by offering discount to customer. The correct answer is reducing the complexity and the cost of a good and its production. Option number B. Frugal engineering is reducing the complexity and cost of a good and its production. Question number 49. Very important. Which of the following is an example of a Piedmont Plateau? Option A Tibetan Plateau, option C Bolivian Plateau, option C Malwa Plateau, option D Ladakh Plateau. Very important question. Piedmont Plateau. So the answer is option C Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is a Piedmont Plateau. Question number 50. Which of the following is not a part of a Melanesia region in the Pacific Ocean? Also a very important question. Not a part of a Melanesia region in the Pacific Ocean. Vanuatu, Solomon Island, Fiji, Kiribati. The correct answer is Kiribati. Option number D is correct. Kiribati is not a part of a Melanesia region in Pacific Ocean. Question number 51. The National Deworming Day NDD is celebrated on which date in India? February 13, February 10, February 12, February 11. The answer is February 10. Option number B. The annual report of which of the following bodies is not caused to be laid before the parliament by the President of India? Very important question. The options are Finance Commission, National Human Rights Commission, Public Accounts Committee, UPSC. The correct answer is National Human Rights Commission. National Human Rights Commission not caused to be laid before the parliament by the president. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a correct match? Saco Bay, Australia, Carrasco National Park, Bolivia, Antarctic Forest, Southeast Reserve, France, Kokando National Park in Australia. Here Shark Bay is Australia is correct. Carrasco National Park is in Bolivia, correct. Atlantic Forest East Reserve in France, it's wrong. Kakadu National Park in Australia. A, B, C, A, B, D are correct, C is wrong. So the correct answer is option A, Atlantic Forest Southeast Reserve in France is wrong. Atlantic Forest Southeast Reserve is in Brazil, Sao Paulo, in Sao Paulo state. Question number 54. First Buddhist Council was held during the reign of which of the following king? Question number 54 is important question. Option A Ajatasattu, option B Ashoka, option C Kanishka, option D Kalashoka. The correct answer is Ajatasattu. Ajatasattu, first Buddhist Council in Ajatasattu region, first Buddhist Council was held. 55. The Pir Panjal range is located in which of the following state or union territory? It's very important question and also it's a regular question, so you can answer it easily. Option A Arunachal Pradesh, option C Jammu and Kashmir, option C Punjab, option D Uttarakhand. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. You know it's very well, it's very often question. SSC asks always. Question number 56. In which among the following sacrifice, the sacrificial material used was a suro in Vedic era? It's an important question, very important question. Option A Agnistoma, option C Rajasuya, option C Sautramani, option D Vajapaya. The correct answer is option C Sautramani, the sacrificial material used in the Vedic era. Question number 57. Which Greek ruler sent Megasthenes in the court of Chandragupta? Very often question and it's an important question. Option A Seleucus Nicator, option B Antichos, option C Ptolemy, option D Magas. The correct answer is all you know A, Seleucus Nicator. Question number 15. Dash is believed to mark the main site of Hastinapur, which was capital of Kaurava and Pandava. The Imperial Gazetteer of India quotes about which of the following places? Hastinapur, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Meerut, Faridabad. Very important question and very interesting question. Mythology question, that is Meerut. Option number C is correct, Meerut. Question number 59. What metal were known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? What metal were known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? Important question. Options A copper, bone, silver, gold but not iron. Options are copper, silver, iron but not bronze. Copper, gold, iron, not silver. Copper, silver, iron but not gold. So very interesting options that are the known are copper, bronze, silver, gold. The four metal were known to the Indus Valley civilization, but iron use are were not known. Question number 60. Who as the first Indo-Greek king who become Buddhist? First Indo-Greek king become Buddhist. Indo-Greek king. Antichos II, Apollodotus I, Apollodotus II, Menander II. This question slightly medium range, slightly hard, but it's very important. The answer is Menander II. Menander II was the first Indo-Greek king become first Buddhist? Very important question. You can remember mean under 2. Thank you for all watching this video. Very useful content. Welcome to my channel Searching. If you like, then subscribe, comment, like. You must comment